Hi and welcome to Pilot Studio. In this video, I will show you how to print your edited document in PDF or on paper. It's very simple. Once you are happy with your edited document and you want to print it, just go to File and Print. I recommend you make a PDF version to save for yourself or to send with your job application. Word has a built-in PDF maker, so that's all you need to do. Just select Microsoft Print to PDF. If the comments are showing on your print preview, simply go on Settings and deselect Print Markup. Now you can hit Print, and Word will ask you how to name it and where you want to save it. Now you have a PDF version to send with your application. If you want to print it directly on paper, simply select the printer from the printer menu and hit Print. I hope you found this video useful, and you can find links in the description to my online store and resume templates if you are ready to bring your resume to the next level.